Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and surface. Make sure the charging case has enough charge and the hinge area is clear of debris. You hold the case with the hinge away from you and stabilize it with one hand. This prevents sudden slips. Now, using your thumb, apply steady upward pressure near the lid edge to disengage the clasp. Once the lid begins to move, continue a smooth lift. Do not force it. This protects internal components and positions the earbuds for safe removal. Once the case is open, you focus on the correct grip. Hold each AirPod Pro by the stem rather than the silicone tip to avoid tearing or deforming the seal. You then tilt the earbuds slightly outward and lift in a gentle arc. This motion follows the magnetic seating and releases them without tugging on the tips. If you plan to use them right away, insert immediately. Otherwise, set them on a clean, soft surface with stems down to prevent rolling or contamination. To complete the process, you close the lid slowly so the magnets align, and you hear a muted snap that confirms secure seating. If an earbud won't connect, make sure both are charged and then press and hold the case pairing button to reset Bluetooth. This often resolves pairing errors. If a bud is physically stuck, do not force it. Open the case and inspect the hinge and cavity for debris, then gently work it free with a soft tool. This prevents damage and restores smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.